Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with Nitrobox. Nitrobox is a versatile online platform found at www.nitrobox.com, designed to streamline your document workflow and enhance collaboration. It provides a centralized hub for securely storing, managing, and sharing various types of files, including contracts, proposals, and other critical business documents. One of Nitrobox's key strengths lies in its comprehensive e-signature capabilities, allowing for legally binding electronic signatures to be seamlessly integrated into your document processes. This not only speeds up approvals and agreements but also contributes to a more efficient and paperless workflow. Beyond e-signatures, Nitrobox offers a range of features that facilitate effective document management. Users can easily organize and categorize their files, making it simple to locate specific documents when needed. Collaboration features within the platform promote teamwork by enabling multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously, with built-in version control to track changes and prevent conflicts. The platform's secure infrastructure ensures the confidentiality and integrity of your documents, providing peace of mind knowing your sensitive information is protected. Further adding to its robust feature set, Nitrobox includes functionalities for automating workflows, setting reminders for deadlines, and tracking document progress. This level of automation helps to minimize manual tasks and improve overall efficiency. By consolidating multiple document-related tasks into a single platform, Nitrobox aims to simplify and optimize the entire document lifecycle, from creation and collaboration to signing and archiving.